Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to prevent everyone from messaging you on Roblox. Whether you're looking to focus on your gameplay or just want a little peace and quiet, we've got you covered with the latest update. Let's jump right in. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. If it's not already installed, make sure to grab it from the Google Play Store. Once you're in, locate the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. Give those dots a tap to open up the menu. Next, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you'll find all the controls for your Roblox experience. After that, look for the Privacy option and tap on it to access your privacy settings. Now, here comes the crucial part. Head to the Communications section. Here, you'll see a setting labeled Who Can Message Me. Simply select No One to block everyone from sending you messages. It's that easy, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy a quieter Roblox experience without unwanted interruptions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gaming!